Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason one side of your AirPods actually work, but the other side do not. Now, this is a very common thing. It happens all the time, and it happens to me pretty much almost every single other day. And what happens here is you essentially have a set of AirPods that maybe you take out first and you put inside of your ear, and then you have the other AirPod where you don't put in your ear. And that is the very first thing that typically, messes it up for me, that I use one AirPod at a time. Whenever I do that and I put the other AirPod in my ear, typically what I have to do is I have to disconnect the AirPods and reconnect them, or put both the AirPods back in the case, close the case, then turn it back on and go back into it and essentially put the AirPods back in my case, or put the AirPods back in my ear. Most of the time, that's typically what I have to do. It's very rare that I have to do anything else crazy outside of that. But typically, what I do is I take out both AirPods at that point, let the case come out. Then I put both the AirPods back in just like this. I close the case and I essentially just see where it goes from there. Typically, most of the time, like I mentioned, this will fix it. It's not a guarantee, but it is one way to go ahead and fix it for sure. Now, the next thing, what I would recommend doing, and this is pretty much what's going to fix it for everybody, is to first ensure that both your AirPods are in the case themselves. Make sure that both AirPods are charging or were charged at one point. As you can see, my AirPods are completely dead. But you want to make sure the AirPods case is charged. You want to make sure the AirPods have charged themselves, and you want to flip the AirPods case back on its back just like so, and you'll see the little hole on the back. So this right here is the connect and disconnect button. So what you want to do is you want to hold this button down until you start seeing the light blink. Now you will see on mine it does not blink because mine are dead, but you will see a white light blink up here. And all you have to do is go ahead and put your AirPods there. Your AirPods are technically in pairing mode at this point. So what you'll have to do is make sure that you have an iPhone or Android ready, and you want to go ahead and open up your Bluetooth settings on your Android or iOS device. You want to plug them, you want to connect them both together, and you will see that your AirPods will probably end up working at that point. Like I mentioned, it's not a guarantee, but it is definitely one of the easier ways to go ahead and fix this specific problem. So those are the main ways to fix it if one AirPod seems to be working and the other one isn't. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.